What's up guys? I'm sure you've noticed that when you record a performance on your iPhone with Live Link and then you play it back, the face animation does not connect with the body. It kind of looks like Canadians on South Park and the head just gets detached. This one's been really frustrating me, so I'm stoked to tell you that in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reattach your metahuman's head and make the body animation drive the head animation. Alright, this is super easy compared to most of the suggested solutions I've found on forums and things like that, so don't stress out. It's definitely not too technical for you because I'm an idiot and I literally figured this out on my own. As far as I know, this solution I'm giving you is not posted anywhere online at the time of filming this video, and it all boils down to what I believe is just a bug. It's also the only solution that even worked for me, period, so let's just get right into it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a blend mask in our face animation blueprint. What this does is it's going to communicate with the blend node that we're going to use later on, and it's going to let it know which bones it should use to blend the animations. So assuming your performance asset is already in the sequencer's timeline, just right click on the performance, go up to properties, scroll to animation, and double click on the performance to open it up. You should see something like this on your screen, and there will be a skeleton tree on the left with a list of all the bones. Go up to the gear icon and under blend profiles, select add blend mask and then give it a name. Then find the bone called root and right click on it and then choose recursively set blend scales to 0. Then in the search bar, type in head and find the head bone, and then when you found that, set that to 1. That's all we have to do here, so just save it and then we can open up the face_anim_BP, which is the blueprint that your metahuman's facial animations rely on. So up at the top right here, you'll find links to other assets that are relevant to your facial animation. What we need is the facial animation blueprint, so click on the blueprint icon up here to open up the face animation blueprint. Once we're in, locate the layered blend per bone node and select it. If you can't find the layered blend per bone node, you probably just have to click on anim graph to the left. So now that you have that node selected, go to the details panel and change the blend mode from branch filter to blend mask. Add an array element and select the blend mask we just created in the drop-down menu. The other option we need to change is under curve blend option. We need to change it from override to normalize by weight. Once you've done that, if everything's looking good, go ahead and press compile and save your work. Now we're ready to go back to our main level window where we have our metahuman. In the outliner, select the metahuman, and with it highlighted, we specifically need to select the face in the details panel. Filter the settings to only show animation settings by clicking on the animation button. Then, in the animation mode drop-down menu, select use animation blueprint, and under animation class, select face_animBP_C. If this doesn't stick and it changes on you when you scrub through the animation sequence in the sequencer, you may have to add a keyframe by clicking the little diamond-shaped add keyframe button next to animation mode. Now, this is the most important part. This is the super secret trick that I found through weeks and weeks of trial and error. I haven't seen the following step mentioned anywhere else when people are talking about sticking a metahuman's head back on its body. So that must mean one of two things. Either this is common knowledge and I'm an actual moron, or that I truly discovered this and I'm really super smart and handsome like my mom's been telling me all along. I'll let you decide. Now we just need to select the control rig and make a few small adjustments around the neck area, and that's it. I don't know if this is a bug or if it's just some setting that gets automatically changed when you adjust a control rig, but my theory is that adjusting the neck creates a connection in the bones between the body and the head, but I could be way off base here. Either way it works, so I'm cool with it. Don't worry about what the pose looks like because it's not permanent. We're just going to be deleting the control rig anyways, so just do it to satisfy the Unreal gods. Now we can add whatever body animation you want. It'll work with a sitting pose, standing pose, getting up, jumping, anything you can think of. So click on plus track next to body in the sequencer, and then under animation, choose whatever animation you want. I chose mm_idle here, but it doesn't even matter, it's totally irrelevant. So now delete both control rigs because both the body and the face have to be deleted, otherwise neither animation will play. But if you followed this step by step, when you hit play in the sequencer now, your head and body should be reattached, and your head animation should be following your body animation. One more quick note, this process is buggy, so if it doesn't work for you, delete the whole level sequence and just create a new sequence after you've done all the steps mentioned. This has helped me before to just reset everything and get it working correctly. So I really hope this helped you guys out. I was losing my mind trying to figure this out, how to make it work for the last 2 weeks or so. Also, we just hit 200 subscribers in a really short amount of time, so thank you to everyone that subscribed. If you haven't already, please think about hitting that subscribe button and leaving a like and a comment. It all helps out. If you haven't figured out how to make your Metahuman and record a performance with your iPhone and all that in the first place, then be sure to check out my other videos about Metahumans where I show you the whole process to get where we are now step by step. Also, our website is live at www.unrealapprentice.com, so if you're looking for other ways to support the channel or if you just like to buy me a coffee, be sure to check that out. So thanks again guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Later.